How to connect Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. To do this, just swipe up, go to settings, click on connections, click on Wi-Fi, just toggle this on. Here you can see lots of network. Just find your Wi-Fi network and click on that. You can see password, click on password and again click on password. Enter your password. If here you can't see any number, just click here and swipe up. Click down and swipe up. You can see this option, click on this and you can see here is number. I'm going to enter my password. Enter your password and click on this OK option and click on connect. By doing this, you can see the Wi-Fi is successfully connected.